Guess what we're talking about today, class? Periods! Are you serious? Now he acting all delirious? Welcome back to my channel, y'all. It is the queen of the coochie care, and I'm here with this amazing product. It's gonna change your period's life. I'm putting y'all onto something new. Damn! Yeah. This is the DivaCup. It's a menstrual cup. I know you guys have seen this product everywhere. I was very skeptical just because it's a lot of finger work, hand work. And I wasn't really into that. I literally just started using tampons maybe 3 years ago. I don't know if any other woman is like this. Maybe it's just me. I don't know. But I hate my period. Like, sis just messes up the vibe. She messes up the energy. She messes up the cravings. She messes up the flat tummy that you've been working on. And I just don't feel like she should be invited to the party. However, she still shows up every single month. This has made my life much easier. The DivaCup comes in 3 different sizes, okay? So model 0 is for my girls, my little young girls, my little fresh period girls, okay? You fresh on the period train. Model 1 is for people like me or women that haven't had children vaginally between the ages of 19 and 30 with a medium menstrual flow. Model 2 is for women that are over 30 with the heavier flow, and it's also for people that have had vaginal birth. You know how I like to talk with my exes when I start reading stuff? No latex, dyes, rubber, plastic, or BPA. Reusable, economical, and eco-friendly. The reason why I got this is because just constantly going to the store to buy pads, tampons, it's getting old. It's really getting old now. Ironic thing is that I literally just stacked up on pads and tampons. So I got these from Target. These are my little honey pot leftovers. It's all in this cute organized bin. And now I'm not even using them anymore. I love this. It's so classy and elegant. It comes with a little storage bag for you here. And if you're gonna get your period while you're traveling, boom. You don't have to worry about it taking a whole bunch of space up in your bag. It comes with a little booklet as well that gives you instructions for how to fold it, how to use it. When you first get your DivaCup, and you're instructed to boil it for 5 to 10 minutes, okay? I think I'm gonna boil mine after every single period, just to be on the safe, clean side. I know this looks like huge for you to be putting inside of your vagina, but I promise you it's not painful whatsoever. It's silicone, so it's almost like using a sex toy or a Kegel weight, anything like that. My first time using this, it was very tricky. It feels like a balloon kind of expanding inside of you. I know. Just give it time, okay? Just wait it out. The fold that I have been going to is this one, the U fold. Lean this part towards the entrance of my vagina, and then I push it in. And when I said it feels like a balloon kind of expanding, it's because this will start to open inside of you, and then it'll just pop in place. To make sure that this part is aligned with the entrance of your vagina, or else you may experience leakage. I have another fold, which is like the triangular fold, okay? Fold it into itself, and it kind of looks like a shell. This is called the triangle fold here. It's not perfect, gosh. This fold, and then this kind of makes easier for entrance, but I found that it was a little bit difficult in regards to getting it into the right position once it's inside of the vagina. Once you slide it in, it's gonna pop open, and then you just have to slick in one finger and kind of rotate it around. I know it seems like a bunch of stretching and stuff, but honestly, that coochie is just like a rubber band. Now that it back. My first and second day I had leaks. That's because I was trying to figure out the heaviness of my flow. You'll feel when it's about to flow over. No different than you getting a leak with a tampon or anything like that. 6 hours, I was about at this mark, and ironically, that's about a ½ ounce. And you think that we bleed so much, but it's really not. When you first start using it, you kind of see how heavy your flow is and how often you'll need to change. I would need to change mine probably 3 to 4 times a day for the first 3 days. After about day 4, my period is extremely light, so I can just use a panty liner and be good to go. Pay attention to how heavy your flow is, how often you see yourself getting a leak, and just kind of time and gauge when you put it in versus when you got the leak. That'll let you know at 5 hours, I need to change or it's going to flood over. Once I was able to figure out how often to change this, I didn't experience any leaks whatsoever. I literally worked out with this jumping rope. Any of y'all that have me on Instagram, y'all see I've been doing my jump rope every day. Jumping rope, no leaks. Overnight sleep, no leaks, and it's comfortable. Once you get over that initial feeling of feeling like there's a balloon in your vagina, you don't feel this at all. And pulling out is like the easiest thing. And it's so weird. You would think that it would spill when you're pulling it out, but honestly, this is at the entrance of your vagina, so you don't have to dig. You kind of just pull this down. The cup will kind of slide out, and then you grip this part, and it comes out, and no blood spilled, no nothing. Empty it out, rinse it out, pop it back in, do it all over again. I just like this better just because I feel like with tampons, they're just not healthy for you. They can cause that little shock syndrome and stuff. You know, nobody wants that. Tampons actually give me more cramps. Before I started using tampons, I didn't get cramps like that. With this, my cramps got better faster. It's the weirdest thing, but baby, the cramps. It's healthier for you. It's less mess and cleanup than tampons and pads. You have to change them out less than you do tampons and pads. And in regards to like the blood smell that you get on tampons and pads, you don't experience this at all with the DivaCup. Tampons will start to overflow if you have a blood clot. Here, when you have a blood clot, it just catches all of it. There's no problem. There's no uncomfortability, and you don't feel it dropping out of you. Versus when you have a blood clot on a pad, you feel like you're walking on a soggy diaper. It's saving you coins, sis. I mean, this is like $7, right? $7 every single period. 84. Wow, that was sad. I'm really good at math. I don't know what's happening. $84 a year on tampons and pads versus $34 one time. This can last you up to a year. Yeah, I need all my coins, especially when it comes to a goddamn period that I don't even like, period. So yeah, like, this is very dainty and cute. Love it. My next challenge for my next period is to go swimming with it. So I may come back and see what that experience was like. I just don't want to have a massacre in the pool. Like, I don't want to, you know, give like jaws in the pool. But I love y'all that much. I'm willing. It's me. No, it's you and me. Chris Brown, what happened? Oh, that to me. That's all me and Diva had to say to y'all. Like, that's all me and Diva wanted to come up here and say. First of all, make sure you like, okay? Make sure you comment if you love this video. And make sure you subscribe to my channel. Love you guys. Until next time.